Hey everyone, this is Jenna. Thanks for coming to my channel. I'm going to do another Easter bunny because they're so much fun and they're so popular right now. Hope you're not going too crazy at your house. Hopefully this helps and you have some fun today doing this little bunny. Okay, you're going to do a little circle. And I'm going to go quite fast so you don't get bored. You can always slow it down or stop it. So this is halfway up a little bit. Don't do it too high because then there's too much mouth left. So do a little bunny, cute bunny nose, a straight line like that. And then two, okay. Then you're gonna do, come on each side of the nose. So go straight up to here, up, and then over. Straight up from the nose, up, and over. Oops, that looks different. Okay, good. Now that's done. You're gonna do, let's see, let's do the sides of the face. So here comes the side of the face. Let's do this. Yeah. Just make sure you make nice fat cheeks because it looks so cute with fat cheeks. So I actually like to start down here. Out, and then in, and up to that part. I didn't do this long enough, sorry about that. There we go. That looks better. Okay, and now we're gonna do the top of the head. The top of the head is kind of flat, so it goes up like this, and then flat, and then down. Okay. Now today we're doing a little spin on this Easter bunny. He's gonna have glasses, so we're gonna do kind of a shape like that. And then you can do any kind of glasses. They could be little circles. I'm gonna do kind of some, I don't know, some regular kind of reading glass looking ones. Okay, so I kind of went straight. I like to do the inside of the lens. I don't know why. And then this side. Do you notice how the glass goes past his little face? So I'm just trying to be aware of that to get them looking kind of the same. How's that? Yeah, I like that. Okay, then I go around the edges of the glasses. Good, and then over here, and then down. That's where the little hinges are to open and close them. There we go, out. And then, part of my hand, I'm just gonna finish. Try to keep this quite consistent if that's a little bit thin. Okay, now take a second and erase those lines where the rabbit is going through them. There we go. There's quite a few of them. There we go. So there's his little glasses. You can do, if you don't want to do eyes at all, you can do kind of a little lightning bolt. And that's really good. And then you fill the rest in really dark, and those are sunglasses. But I'm going to show you how to do the eyes too. So let's get rid of the lightning bolt. You would do a lightning bolt here and then here, okay? And then the rest would be black. But let's do some eyes. I'm gonna right in the middle, I'm gonna curve like this. Do a big curve and then go out. Like that, nice bulgy eye, and then a little shine mark in the eye. And just take a second and color it nice and dark. Once you're happy with it, make sure you're happy before you press really hard. That's really important. There you go, nice little bulgy eye. Use Sharpie if you have one at home. And then there's the other side. So I notice how thick that is. And I do a little curve this way. Just keep checking. And then a nice big curve there. I'm going pretty fast, but you can always stop and get caught up and take your time. I just like videos that are a little bit faster and not so chatty. So hopefully that works for you. Okay, whoa, sorry, I'm drifting off. Next, let's see, what have I not done yet? The ears. So I have the rest of the, I think my head is too high. I'm going to change that, sorry about that. Sometimes when I'm holding the camera, it looks fine, and then I go to look at it. That's better. His forehead was giant, like a cone head. So don't worry if you made a cone head rabbit. Just erase that, no big deal. Okay, and let's fill the rest of the page in and then up with some nice rabbit ears. Don't touch them to the top of the page, but they can almost go So they're thin and then they're thick here. You can have them go off to each side, or you can have them flop. Right now I'm just going to do them like that. There's his little ears. And you can have them so that they're flipped this way. I'm going to flip them open. So I'm going to create a little inside. And I'm just going to make it thicker here. And not so thick there. There we go. Good. So there's my little rabbit. There's his ears. I still find that's a bit too tall. Sorry about that. Little cone head. The cone head rabbit. So as you can see, it's always good to just keep evaluating and then adjusting things. It's not a big deal to make a mistake. It's totally fine. Give yourself a break if it looks weird, okay? Don't give up on it. Just get that eraser out and try something else. See, that looks way better. I'm glad I changed the ears. So no worries. Good. So you can either leave it like this, or you can do something where I actually add the little tick marks. So how I do that is we're going to do the direction of the fur. So imagine you're petting this rabbit. You would do it up like this, and then you would do it like that, right? So that's the way we're going to do the little tick marks for the fur. Oops, I didn't do much of that. I'll just nice and fast. Can you see the tick marks? I just fill the area with nice small ticks, okay? Now this can go outwards. Around the eyes, it's almost like, you know, when you're a little kid and you do a sunshine. Maybe you are a little kid. But I just go outwards from the eye. That makes it look really good, like it's growing out from the eye. Okay, and then I just keep it going this way. I'm doing this really fast, but you can slow down and just enjoy. This is all gonna go towards the eye. There we go. Good, and then this is gonna kind of calm down and go a little bit longer. Go downwards. You see those little dots? Actually dashes. Okay, and then this, I want this to be quite light because the fur is really usually soft and white on his little nose and his mouth. So see how I did it quite small. And then I actually like it with a little chin. You might want to add a little chin. So give this guy a little more personality. You can make maybe bright red sunglasses, pink. You could have maybe a yellow bow tie or something fun. So use some nice bright colors if you want. See if that works for you. So see, that was kind of like a big kind of circle oval thing. And then almost like a triangle bonks into it. Okay, and then same thing on this side. That makes a nice little bow tie. And go flick, flick. That's the fabric folding. Okay, whoa, hi Sunshine. Okay, can you see? Then just do some shoulders. And you can do a little V here. There's the suit jacket. Or tux, whatever you want to use. Okay, and I could get all into the details, but that's the basic bunny. It's really fun when you do it with nice dark Sharpie. I'd go over all these things with Sharpie. Or you could do a lab, like a scientist, a lab bunny. Anyways, have fun with this. I hope you have a good time. And stay safe out there. Bye.